Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel, Learning with DC24, the best teacher in the world. I'm your host, DC24. Okay, that's enough of DC24. Let's get started with today's lesson. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be about rounding decimals to the nearest whole number. So how can we do that? So first off, let's start with our first example. We got 0.5. How do we make it a whole number? Or can we make it a whole number? So the first thing you want to look at is the number after the decimal. So we have our decimal here. Now what is the number after the decimal? It is 5. Now if the number after the decimal is 5 or bigger than 5, then the number that's before the decimal adds 1. So it becomes 1. Okay, you understand? So 0.5 will give 1. So just like 0.6 will also become 1, or 1.6, what will happen? It will give 1 and it will become what? 2. So you just add 1 to the number before the decimal if the number after the decimal is bigger than 5 or 5. Let's take another example. Let's see, where's our decimal point? Is right here. What is the number after the decimal? Is it bigger than 5? No, it's not. It's smaller than 5, so it stays the same way. Okay, let's take another example. Here's our decimal. The number after the decimal, is it bigger than 5? No, it's not, so it stays the same way. It doesn't change, okay? So we want to make it a whole number. So to be the same as 6. Okay, so 6.4 is the same as 6. But 6.5 is the same as 7. You get it? Let's take another example. 2.4, is it bigger than 5? No, it's not. So it stays exactly the same. You can write 2 or 2.4. It's okay, but it says to the whole number. So let's just make it a whole number. Now 5.90. Now here's our decimal. What is the number after the decimal? Is it bigger than 5? Yes, it is. 9 is bigger than 5. So what happens? The 9 adds 1, and what does the 5 become? It becomes a 6. Okay, next example. Here's our decimal. Is the 9 bigger than 5? Yes, it is. So look, it goes to the ones and it plus 1. So 24.9 becomes what? 25. Okay, so if the number after the decimal is bigger than 5 or is 5, you add 1 to the number that is before the decimal. Don't add it to the tens, you add it to the ones. Okay, so 24 is not going to become 34. It's going to be 25. It's the ones that's taking the number, the 1. Okay? Now, there's some questions that come in different forms. So rounding up to the nearest whole number can seem really easy, but in tests, especially in final exams, they always try to confuse you by making it into word sentences. So For example, what is the largest number that can round up to 6? Some will go ahead and say, oh, that's easy. It's 5.9. That, if you say 5.9, then that is wrong. The largest number that can round up to 6 is actually 6.4. Okay? Because 6.4 is still 6. 5.9 is 6, but it's asking for the largest number, which is 6.4. Because after 6.4 is 6.5. And what does 6.5 equal? Is 7. Okay? So now, what is the smallest number that can round up to 6? Some will say 5, some will say 5.4, something like that. But the answer is 5.5. So that is the smallest number that can round up to 6. Because if we go any further to become 5.4, and 5.4 is 5. Okay, so yeah, that is it. If you do not understand, just let me know in the comment section. If you do understand, thank you so much for watching, and please do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.